Hello, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how you can use the Sodastream, and at the same time I'm going to give my honest review of it. The first thing I want to show you is how to replace the CO2 cylinder or gas bottle. Start by remove the plastic cover on the back of your Sodastream. And then turn the old bottle counterclockwise to get it out. And as you can see, it is really easy to unscrew the old one. Just make sure you take the top out first. And then you can take the new one and remove the plastic and the plastic cap on the top of the valve. Actually, these bottles can be bought at everywhere. Actually, I just buy mine at Amazon. I have a link down in the description if you want or need new bottles. And when the plastic cap is removed, install the new one by, as you can see, you can't take the top in first. You actually need to take the bottom in first to make it fit. So take the bottom in first and then connect the bottle to the Sodastream threads and screw it in clockwise. Really simple. And then you have to put on the plastic cover. And here you take the bottom first and then just click it on its place on the top. And now I'm going to show you how you can make your soda. Just take a bottle. This is actually a dishwasher safe bottle. I also have a link for this in the description, so just click it if you need dishwasher safe bottles. And then take water and fill the water onto the bottle. And as you can see, there is a line on the bottle, and fill the water up to that line. And then you need to connect the bottle to your Sodastream. Just push it in a little bit on the top, and then just push the bottle in. And then you need to push on the top 3 to 5 times. It's just how much CO2 you want in the water. How much bubbles you actually need. If you want to add some syrup or flavor, you have to read on the syrup or flavor bottle to see how much to add. If you're considering buying a Sodastream, you can do so by checking out the link in the description. And that's it for this tutorial. I hope you enjoyed it. Please leave a like and subscribe, and I will see you in the next video.